Hello everyone, this is a quick demonstration of how to use Python and Thonny using EdBot software to control two dream robot. This is Zeeb here and this is Zob. So EdBot software show that Zeeb and Zob are connected, and this is I'm using Thonny. So you need to import EdBot and you need to open an EdBot client. EC1 connected, associated with the name Zeeb. If not, your system exit. Same thing, EC2. So you create a second EdBot client, EC2, associated with Zob, connected. Okay, and then using wait until active to make sure they're connected, they're in control. And then I'm just using a say I'm Zeeb, your friendly dog. Wait until it's finished. Set up the buzzer. Move only one server one, so make it go around for 1 second. Turn it off. EC2 will say I am Zob, your pet bull. Buzzer 2, and then it go forward for half a second and turn itself off, and then disconnect everything. Okay, let's see how it works. Everything Zeeb Zob connected. Let's see now. Let's just run the script.
I am Zeeb, your friendly dog.
I am Zeeb, your pet bull.
That's it.